Last part. Here we go. Part 2. It says similar triangles. We are going to use similar triangles to explain why the slope m is the same between any two distant points between non-vertical line and the coordinate plane. This is the standard basically. So let's follow these steps and we'll have it knocked out. Determine the length of line AB. So AB is from here to there. So the length of that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the length of that is 8 units. And then the length of BC, the length from BC is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then line DE, let's see how long that is. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 units. And then EF, right here, that is 1, 2 units. Alright, we're going to need that later. So what is the ratio of line BC, so line BC right here, over AB, line AB. So BC is 4 over AB, which is 8. Now that can be simplified. I can divide both by 4. And so 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So in this case, after I simplified it, I've got 1/2. So now, what is the ratio of EF, line EF, this line right here, over line DE? DE. 2. Oh, oops, that's a 4. Because see, line DE is 4, so that's why it's 4. And that can be simplified also. I can divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. You can see it's also 1/2. What do you notice about these two ratios? So these are two different portions of the line, this ratio and that ratio, okay? But what do you notice about the two ratios? Well, they're the same. So you would write something to the effect of that, well, these two ratios are the same. Of course, you would have to write more than just same, but you get the idea. All right, so now use the graph above to explain why the slope is the same between any two distinct points on a non-vertical line in a coordinate plane. There's a lot of correct answers that I would accept, like, you know, different ways how you worded it. But something, I'd like to hear something to the effect of a linear function. So that's like a line, a straight line, will have the same rate of change. That's what I'm looking for, something like that, that they will have the same rate of change. So you see, I would rise up and I would run over the same amount no matter what 2 points I pick. Rise up and run over. It's going to be the same amount. So that is why their ratios are going to be the same, because it forms a straight line.